From the real to the virtual world, with METIS PBR Maps.
But what is PBR?
PBR, or physically based rendering, is a core technology initially developed by the film and video game industry in order to get photorealistic renderings. But most industries are now involved too, and possible applications are countless.
Let's have a look into METIS PBR Workflow.
Step 1. Completely automated superscan. Scan large originals at the highest resolution. Perfect for woods, ceramics, stones, wallpapers, fabrics, leather, and many other materials.
Step 2. Evaluate the PBR maps in a photorealistic rendering environment with the METIS to Blender preview interface. Various templates are included.
Directly from the METIS software, you can preview the outcome and if required adjust the maps before exporting them.
Step 3. Generating the selected PBR maps with the METIS batch process tool. With the presets that can be optimized for your render software, map creation becomes a breeze. Base color, roughness or glossiness, metalness, normal, displacement, alpha and opacity maps can be generated according to your need. Exporting in various file formats, including U3M, is possible.
Ready to use. You can easily import METIS PBR maps into your preferred rendering application and apply the material directly to your scene.
What are the potential applications for PBR renderings?
For catalogs and other type of printed material.
Or for creating videos for marketing purposes.
For website and e-commerce.
Or to provide architects and interior designers a preview of the material for their 3D CAD projects.
And of course for virtual reality.
And countless other applications.